Hello, good morning, Kachong Kachang. My last day here in Ilocos. Going to Manila tonight, but hopefully, um, hopefully I can go to Manila tonight because there's a storm that's going on right now here. So I'll see. I guess my last day. This is my sixth day, the sixth day here in the Philippines. But time is fast and short, so I have to go back home to do my normal things, di ba? Trabaho na ulit, and then uh, past 6 days has been it's been good. Learned so many things again from people here. People here are so laid back, happy. Um, One thing I like here is the closest of everyone. Family comes here to visit me and mom and my dad. Talk to them, and it's just so simple. Life was so simple. I was planning to go to the what they call this, the beach today, but with the weather, I think I can probably just go there to watch, but the tides are so high because of the typhoon. Right now it's signal number 2 here. It's a super typhoon. Uh, Came in yesterday. But you have to enjoy life regardless. Kahit na anong mangyari, you have to enjoy it. Uh, Come what may. I know it's here, come what may means bahala na. But again, it's better to just say, kahit na anong mangyari, just enjoy life. Diba? God has a reason why this thing is happening. I just, the only thing said about this rain, this typhoon, it's also rice harvest right now, and all the rice are ready to be harvested, but they need the sun. Uh, they need the worker to do this. Wow, that thing just came. Wow, look. Yeah, this is just in front of the house. Yeah, it was calm earlier, and suddenly it was like strong wind. Papa is sleeping here last night. He has to move inside. The the strong wind is about 128 kilometer per hour. So it's a strong typhoon coming in today. if I can travel tomorrow, I mean tonight, I'll probably travel tomorrow morning. Yeah. Again, lumaki naman ako dito sa ganitong climate. So I'm not worried about it. But good morning again. It's time to make our coffee. Remember, I showed you my tatay's coffee container before, right? That's Quaker Oats. Pero ang laman nito is creamer. Yeah. Yeah, creamer. Oh, napigsa ako, angin. Nariing na kayo sa talakayan? Doon tayo makan? Nagturogan yung aral? Oo, dijay. Sa pala maturog? Si, ano? Ah? Awan ditan? Atas tayo dita? Lumipat daw si tatay sa taas. Well, ang tatay dito ni tatang. Ito yung bahay namin. Yung bahay namin dito. Typhoon.
450 kilometers silangan ng Apatid, Cagayan. Nag-play pa rin ito ang napakalakas na hangin na maabot sa 185 kilometers per hour.
Oh, it's 185.
Maabot sa 230 kilometers per hour. Kumikilos ito ngayon ng pakanluran, hilagang kanluran sa bilis naman
Itong bahay namin dito.
per hour.
Old parsonage.
Na, yung mata ng bagyo nito, indikasyon nito na napakalakas ng hangin na dala ng bagyo nito. Napakalawak pa rin ng kaulaban ng bagyo at kung mapapansin natin, meron na itong
rambutan.
na diametro mula sa gitna. Mas lumang
Saging.
kaysa
Sarap.
kanina umaga. Dahil dito nakataas ng tropical cyclone wind signal number 3 sa southern Batanes, Kabibubuyan Islands.
Oh, magkwarta. Da Bariam? Baka ka Bariam. Ata, ururay nga road. Yan si tatay. Da Bariam. Humingi ako ng pera kay tatay pambili ng pandesal.
Ang nalalabing bahagi ng Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, ang nalalabing bahagi ng Ilocos Sur, signal number 1 din sa may La Union, Pangasinan, ang northern at central portions ng Zambales, sa may Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Aurora, signal number 1 din sa northern portion ng Bulacan at ang northern portion
May pambili na tayo guys ng pandesal. Tuloy natin yung kape natin. So, lalagyan na natin ng creamer first. And then, eto, Maxwell House coffee container, pero ang laman niyan asukal. Kaya lang di ako mahilig mag-asukal, kaya dito na tayo sa isang container natin. Creamer daw, pero huwag kayo maniniwala dyan dahil mahirap pala maging vlogger. Dadalawan lang yung kamay ko, pero kailangan mag-function pa rin yung isa. Coffee, yan. Okay na tayo. Itong pagbablog ko, hindi ko naman mahilig din ako talaga mag-vlog. Pero for ano lang to, parang for good fun, ano lang, katuwaan lang. Dahil itong isang kapatid ko sabi niya, Kuya, mag-vlog ka naman kung saan ka pupunta para makita ko rin. Sabi mo, sige. Kaya ito, I'm doing this for her at yung mga kaibigan ko na rin na hindi pa nakakarating dito sa lugar namin. Alright? But hopefully magustuhan niyo itong mga nilalagay ko dahil wala naman akong topic. It's just yung mga regular lang na buhay ng mga tao nangyayari. Hanggang ngayon, we're still waiting for yung pandesal. Ang style dito ng bumibili ng pandesal ay maririnig mo yung pot, mga ganun. Mga umaga. Kaya, tapos paparahin mo, sabihin mo sa kanila kung magkano. It's 9 pieces for 20 pesos. 20 pesos is about 40 cents. So, it's not bad. Yeah, no, 40 cents. If I'm right, roughly. Bakit ilong ko? Grabe yung lakas ng hangin. Tignan mo. Sana makuha ko ito na maayos. But hangin, tignan mo yung hangin doon. Lakas ng mga puno. Ayan. May malunggay doon, no? Talagang, awawa sila. Just example na lakas ang bagyo ngayon. So, whatever happens, just be safe. Yung mga nandito ngayon sa Ilocos and Manila kasi apektado din ng Manila. Maraming baha doon ngayon. Kaya, hopefully, hindi masyadong maapektuhan yung mga wow, look at that. Yan yung bunga na ay puno ng atis namin, apektado din. September ganun din dito sa Ilocos. Kaya higop muna tayo ng kape. Nainit na kape na sama natin ng saging. Saging nila, preskong presko. Ayan, yung mga naglalako pupunta dito sa bahay. Naglalako ng isda, naglalako ng gulay, saging. Ayan, dumating na naman ito isang bagyo sa likod ko. Nagpainit ng lumang pandesal. Kaya bakit talaga mapapabili ng pandesal meron naman palang pandesal niyan. Ayan malalaki. Ayan. Meron naman yung ulan. Naririnig nyo ba yan? Lakas. Kaka. Remorke yan. No, ang hirap sa ano, September. Parehong rice season tapos bagyo doesn't mix. Kaya kawawa naman yung mga farmers. Kaya yung mga taga yung mga lumaki ng ano, yung mga lumaki ng farm, mga bukid, alam niyo yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. It's harvest time and lakas ng hangin. Lahat ng mga palay ay ano lang, mahuhulog, masasayang. And then even kahit na mag-harvest ka, kung wala ka ng mga pagpapainitan, nasisira din yung palay. They need the sun para patuyuin yung mga palay nila. So, my prayer goes to my people here, which is Pagsanahan. And sometimes they just make joke out of it, but mahirap. Okay, gabi nga, naglolokohan sila. Wala na naman akong pangay. So, some of them are planning to go there and harvest now and bring it to drier place something. But with this kind of weather, you know, again, let's wait for the pandesal. Oh, what's that? Oh, nilagay ni tatay dito sa ano, sa kanyang higaan. Lumang pandesal to kaya medyo matigas ba? Sa Bible nga tinutukan ng bato, batuhin mo sila ng tinapay. I think ito yung dapat na ano, ito yung tinapay na dapat mong gamitin kasi mas matigas. Yung mga kapitbahay ko they're watching me doing the vlog. Sila saging na doon sa kabila, saka si Danny, mga kapitbahay. They're watching me and they're drinking coffee then. Yeah. Again, have a good morning and saan man kayo naroon ngayon, hapon na dyan sa Oregon. Just enjoy life and I'll see you soon, alright? I see you everywhere. I mean, I see you there soon. Alright. Bye. Pasensya na. Hopefully you like my vlog. This is Manong Kiko. MANUNG KIKO. And just sharing what my experience here. So, anywhere na makapunta ako, I just want to share it to you guys. And why Manong Kiko? Because Manong Kiko, I was called Kiko from time to time. Siyempre, nagpisa ng tatay ko, ang tawag niya sa akin, Kiko, nung bata pa ako. And until now, may tumatawag sa akin na Kiko. Kaya, sabi ko, sige na nga. Manong Kiko na lang nga ang ipapangalan ko dahil noong bata pa ako sa Karuhatan, merong mangkiko doon na araw-araw umiinom ng Shoktong. Kaya very famous yun basta umaga. Oh, mangkiko, Shoktong. Kaya, di ko na nga naririnig yung tawag niya. So, inadapt ko na yung Manong Kiko. And it's so Filipino sounds, right? Yeah. Salamat sa whoever is watching, still learning, trying, but hopefully you have a different, ang ano ko is because of so many vlogs na puro political na lang and everything, I just wanna inject something na, na different. Nakakatuwa, nakaka-relate ka, right? So, pray for the country, pray for the government. I'm a strong believer of that. Na God is always in control. So, see you again on my next vlog. Okay, bye. Ingat.